I'm Emma Johnson. I've been the local area coordinator in Sgiwen for the last 5 years. So liaising with Councillor Mike Harvey, key individuals and the Salvation Army on the Friday morning, by 10 AM we were able to set up the official flood appeal and the community hub based at the Salvation Army. All residents affected basically walked out with what they were wearing, so at 11 o'clock on the Friday morning we set up the shout for donations, and by 4 AM the room was full. As a community, from individuals living in Sgiwen, small local businesses, community organisations, churches, to large national charities, supermarkets and companies, everyone's played a huge part, coming together with one common goal, which was to support the residents of Sgiwen throughout the flood.
My name is Elizabeth Francis. I live at Jubilee Crescent in Sgiwen. I'm one of the houses that was badly damaged in the flood. The council have been absolutely fantastic. The grant we had within 7 to 10 days, which we purchased a fridge freezer, a washing machine, a bed and bedding. The refuse crews have been absolutely fantastic. They've been on site taking all the rubbish, clearing all the mess up that's been left, the debris. And then we come down to our tea shed, which is the hub for the residents, where everybody gathers and can have a cup of coffee, obviously socially distancing. And the workers to give them a nice hot drink when they're out working.
Hi, my name's Emma. I live on Goshen Park. Just over 4 weeks ago, these floods have absolutely devastated the community and the neighbouring roads here. However, it's really pulled the community together. The council have been a fantastic support. Our local councillor, Mike Harvey, I don't know where we'd be without him. He's made himself so accessible from morning till night, whenever you ring him, whenever you text him. I really don't know where we would have been without those people either. When you're dumped into the middle of this sort of trauma and crisis, things that you don't even think about that you need, it's all there ready for you. The support was there ready for you.
Hi, Councillor Mike Harvey, Coed Frank North, and I've been overwhelmed really by the amount of support we've had, both from local people and businesses. It's been fantastic. Everything I think we've asked for as a community, then we've had it donated or given, from skips, from local firms, from a crane even, clothing, bedding. The Just Giving page raised over £40,000 now, and you know, with celebrities, they put in appeals for the fundraising, and it's just been absolutely fantastic. And you know, local authority staff have really buckled down and helped out in this awful situation, and helped these people who've been, you know, dreadfully impacted on by this flood. So thanks everyone from the bottom of my heart. It's been fantastic. Thank you.